Hey everyone, it's been a wild day on Wall Street. Let's dive into the latest market chaos. On Thursday, March 13th, 2025, the US stock markets took a sharp nosedive. The S&P 500 officially entered correction territory, dropping 1.4% and landing more than 10% below its February record high. The Nasdaq Composite also felt the heat, falling nearly 2%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 1.3%, or almost 550 points. So, what's driving this sell-off? A significant factor is President Trump's escalating trade war. He's threatened a massive 200% tariff on EU wines and spirits in retaliation for EU and Canadian tariffs on US steel and aluminum. Trump is standing firm, stating he won't bend in this trade fight. Adding to the turmoil, there's the looming threat of a US government shutdown. Senate Democrats are planning to block a Republican spending bill, which has investors on edge. February's wholesale inflation data brought a bit of a surprise. Prices showed no change, contrary to the expected 0.3% increase. Year over year, the producer price index rose 3.2%, just shy of the 3.3% estimate. Even though the S&P 500 is in a correction, history suggests this doesn't always lead to a bear market. Since World War II, 75% of S&P 500 corrections haven't turned into bear markets. Some analysts are still optimistic about earnings growth. Yardeni Research adjusted its year-end S&P 500 target from 7,000 to 6,400, citing valuation uncertainties rather than fundamental economic issues. SoFi's head of investment strategy noted the sell-off appears sentiment-based, not driven by declining earnings expectations. In the commodities market, gold prices hit new highs, exceeding $2,984 per ounce, driven by modest inflation data and the trade war. Macquarie Group predicts gold could reach $3,500 by Q3 2025. In other news, UiPath stock hit an all-time low after weak guidance, and fast casual food stocks declined. Consumer spending in Washington, D.C. slowed due to Doge job cuts. Tesla stock dropped over 3%, and Intel surged after naming a new CEO. That's today's market update. Stay informed and stay invested. Thanks for tuning in.